My truffle mac and cheese is rich, creamy, and full of truffle flavor. Start by boiling your pasta according to package instructions. Melt butter in a saucepan. Add in flour, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Mix until everything is well incorporated. Slowly whisk in the milk, and then slowly whisk in the half and half. Remove from the heat and stir in the truffle oil. Top with shredded cheddar and gruyere cheese. Add the cheese sauce to the cooked macaroni. Pour half the pasta into a greased baking dish. Sprinkle half of the parmesan cheese on top. Add the remaining pasta and sprinkle with the remaining parmesan cheese. In a small bowl, combine breadcrumbs, melted butter, and truffle oil. Top with breadcrumbs and bake for 15 to 20 minutes at 325 degrees. You can find more delicious mac and cheese recipes on our website.